I
Ah,
like, I love Brazil because
Yeah.
of Neymar and Ronaldo.
Yeah, I love Philippines too.
Have you been here in Philippines?
No, I planning go one day.
Oh my gosh, come visit in my house.
Yeah.
I'll cook you adobo.
Oh, adobo. Masarap na adobo.
Oh my God! Philippines, nagtagalog, oy!
Ano yung favorito? Adobo?
Manok,
Manok?
chicken,
Ako
chicken
rin.
adobo
Yeah,
and
mabut.
cat adobo.
Yeah, it's masarap
and
na.
yes, it's masarap.
Oo, diba? Pero ikaw, taga sa Pilipinas ka. May plano ako pupunta.
Why?
Yeah, kasi magaling mga taong sadya, mga Pinoy.
Sorry, I'm not good in English.
Ako rin. Ayoko ng English.
Oh my gosh.
Ayaw gusto ko ng English.
He's my friend.
hi.
Ako,
She's my best friend.
oh, yeah, it's good, nice.
Maganda sa Brazil.
Maganda lugar dito. Pahero ng Pinas. Yeah, daming lugar. May deserto, mountain, beach. Yes, flores.
There's a lot of beach also here in Philippines.
Yes.
One of the most famous beach here in Philippines is Siargao.
Siargao. Yeah, ako nanonood kahapon isang vlog in Siargao. You know surfing?
Yes,
Yes.
I know
Yeah.
surfing.
Yes.
That is one of my favorite
Yeah,
sports.
I watching kahapon isang video ng surfing
I want-
Siargao.